Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. Some of you asked me why you are not able to see your profile picture over here. So in this video, I am going to show you how to change your profile picture on system.io. Changing your profile picture is so easy, it will take just a minute. So hello everyone, I am Ajay Kumar from FunnelAnalysts. Without wasting any more time, let's see how you can change your profile picture image. For changing the profile picture, just open a new tab, then go to gravatar.com. Click on sign up, enter your email address. Make sure you enter the same email address associated with your system.io account. Click on send me sign in link, open your Gmail, click the mail and click on continue to Gravatar. Now click upload and drag your profile picture, then click on crop, write down your name and it will be done. Now come to the system.io dashboard, reload the page and see your profile picture automatically changed. So yes, that's it for this particular tutorial. I hope now you have successfully been able to see your profile picture. Now I want to inform you one little update. For the past couple of weeks, I have been working a lot to create these kinds of simple and easy tutorial videos to help you learn system.io in a very easy way. So keep your eye on this system.io Mastery Facebook community and make sure you also keep an eye on our YouTube channel. There are lots of advanced system.io video tutorials that will be uploaded very soon. And I am putting in hundreds of hours to learn how can I provide you with better videos. Currently I am learning video creations and I am so new at it. So please comment down your feedback, what things I can improve on my tutorial and what problem you are facing. Thank you everyone.